Hello again. My name is Patrick from the Aliante Library. In this video, we are going to show you how to make one of these little cardboard spinny things. And I'm going to show you how to do it even before I show you how to make it, because it gets a little confusing. If you put in 2 fingers in the yarn and give some separation, and then you just spin it, and it looks like it's not doing anything, but it is wrapping a little bit. Then when I pull it, it spins. Then I release it, and it wraps up. I pull it again, it spins, and I release it. And the neat thing is you can see the color patterns. Because it spins so fast, your eye can't keep up with it. But this is super easy to make. You can make it with buttons. You can make it with cardboard. So I'm going to show you how to make it with cardboard. Super easy, super quick, and it's kind of interesting. I just read something where they use this in countries that may not have electricity as a means to spin blood in order to separate the different components of blood cells. I don't understand it, but anyway, they can do it super inexpensively, and they all did it by playing with one of these. So now I will teach you how to make one. So making the spinner is very easy to do. You can take anything that's got a round shape to it and trace it. I've already traced this one and cut it out of any cardboard that you would use. And then similar to what I'm doing here, you just trace the cardboard and you cut out the piece of paper. I won't do the whole thing, I just want to show you what goes into it. And you can use, they say markers work best, but I'm sure you could use crayons and make whatever kind of a shape you want on there. Usually when it's spinning, you can't make out the shape anyway. So you will glue this on here and you will draw whatever kind of shape you want to put into it. And then you'll want to get somebody to help you pop the 2 holes into it, and you can see the 2 holes are very close together, maybe 1/4 of an inch apart. So you could measure to the center of your circle. So this is a 4-inch circle, so dead center would be 2 inches, and then maybe put your whole 1/4 of an inch one way and 1/4 of an inch the other way. And both sides can have a pattern on it if you choose. And then you basically just feed your yarn through it and tie a little loop on the end, and that is all there is to it. It's very simple. I'll give myself some space here and I will spin it again. I have noticed that people have a hard time getting it going, but it's basically just you spin it to get it wrapped up, and then you pull it. So let's do this and release it. Hold on 1 second. I might have it going the wrong way. All right, Betsy, I'm going to do this. So basically that is it. And then you get the momentum going, you just spin it a little bit and you pull on it, and then you release it to let it build the momentum going the other way, and you pull it and you release it. So it's very easy, but some people have a hard time. It just takes a little practice, and if I go this way, you might see where the colors are spinning all together. So it is pretty cool. So give it a shot. It's super easy to make, and then let us know how it went. Tell us in the comments. Beautiful. All right, so hopefully you will enjoy this. It's kind of fascinating. So do it, post below, let us know how it went, and if you have anything, advice to give us, feel free to share it with us. Otherwise, it's a very simple and cool craft. All right, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.